Hello, I welcome all of you to my channel. Today's grammar topic is pronoun and verb. Each question carries 1 mark each. So, if you got it right, don't forget to give yourself 1 mark. Are you all ready? Can we start? Let's get started. The first question is, which word is a pronoun? Here are your options. You have to identify which of the option is a pronoun. Okay. Your options are apple, he, run, happy. These are the 4 options. Which one of them is a pronoun? It is option B, he. Okay, let's move on to the next question. What is the verb in the sentence? The sentence is the dog barks. Okay, here are your 4 options. Dog, the, barks, cat. These are the 4 options. You have to identify which of them is a verb. It is option C, barks. Barks is a verb. Okay, next question. Which one is a verb? Here you have been given 4 words in 4 different options and you have to identify which one of them is a verb. Okay, so look at the option very carefully. First option is eat, then she, book, chair. These are the 4 options. Which one of them is a verb? It is option A, eat. Okay. Next question. Choose the correct pronoun to fill in the blanks. Dash is my sister. Now here are our options. They, he, she, it. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? Which one I should fill in this blank to complete the sentence? It is option C. She is my sister. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 5. What is the verb in this sentence? I jump on the bed. This is the sentence. You have to identify the verb in the sentence. Okay, so here are your options. Bed, on, jump, I. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? It is option C, jump. Okay, question number 6. Choose the pronoun to fill in the blank. Dash are going to school. Here are your options to fill in this blank. Dogs, we, boys, school. These are the 4 options. Which one should I put in this blank to complete the sentence? Here we have to choose the pronoun. Remember, we have to choose the pronoun. Okay. So which one it is? It is option B. We are going to school. Okay, next one. Which word is a verb? Here are your 4 options. You have to identify which one of them is a verb. Options are orange, sit, pencil, me. These are the 4 options. Which one is a verb? It is option B, sit. Okay, next question. Question number 8. Pick the pronoun in the sentence. The sentence is Tom and I are friends. This is the sentence. You have to identify the pronoun in the sentence. Is it Tom? Is it friends? Is it I or is it are? Which one is the pronoun? It is option C, I. Okay, question number 9. What is the verb in this sentence? Okay, the sentence is she sings well. You have to identify the verb in this sentence. Okay, is it option A, she, or option B, sings, or option C, well, or option D, none of the above? Which one it is? Which one is the correct option? Identify the verb in the sentence. Which one it is? It is option B, sings. Question number 10. Choose the pronoun or correct pronoun, okay, to fill in this blank. This is for dash. Which word should I fill in this blank? Options are me, run, book, go. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? It is option A. This is for me. Okay, next question. Pick the verb. Here's the sentence. You have to identify which one is a verb. Birds fly in the sky. Can you identify the verb in the sentence? Okay, is it birds? Is it fly? is it sky, or is it in? Which one it is? These are your four options. Go through your option very carefully and identify which one of them is a verb. It is option B, fly. Okay, question number 12. Choose the pronoun. Can you help dash? Here are your options to fill in this blank. Cake, him, run, chair. These are the four options. Which one should I fill in this blank to complete the sentence? Which pronoun should I fill in this blank? It is option B. Can you help him? Okay, question number 13. What is the verb in this sentence? This is the sentence. You have to identify the verb in this sentence. The baby cries loudly. This is the sentence. Which one is the verb in this sentence? Is it baby? Is it loudly? Is it cries, or it is the? Which one it is? It is option C, cries. Okay, question number 14. Which one is a pronoun? Here are your options. These are the four options. You have to identify which one is a pronoun. Okay. Option are her, school, sleep, table. These are the four options. Which one of it is a pronoun? It is option A, her. Okay, question number 15. Choose the verb. Okay, in this sentence you have to choose the verb. I write with a pencil. Now, can you identify the verb in the sentence? These are your options. Pencil, I, write, with. These are the four options. Which one is correct? It is option C, write. Okay, question number 16. Which word is a pronoun? Here are your options. Dance, you, pen, eat. These are the four options. Which one of them is a pronoun? Option B, you. Okay. Question number 17. What is the verb in this sentence? He runs fast. Okay. This is the sentence. Identify the verb in this sentence. Here are your options. He, fast, runs, or none is a pronoun. None is a verb. So which one is the correct option? It is option C, runs. Question number 18. Choose the pronoun to fill in this blank. Dash is my pet dog. Here are your options. It, dog, pet, my. These are the four options. Which one should I put in this blank? It is option A. It is my pet dog. Question number 19. Pick the verb. We play in the park. This is the sentence. Okay. Here are your options. We play, park, in. These are the four options. Which one of them is a verb? It is option B, play. Okay. Question number 20. Choose the correct pronoun. Okay. To fill in this blank. Here's the sentence. Dash, I'm your friend. Okay. And here are your options. Me, I, she, us. These are the four options. Which one should I put in this blank to complete the sentence, or which one is the correct option? It is option B. I am your friend. Okay. With that, we come to the end of this exercise. Please mention your score below. How much did you get out of 20? Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel in order to see more videos like this. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye and happy learning all of you.